Quick rundown on how to remove the mag release button from a P365. I tend to remove the slide. Find yourself a needle, preferably a needle. You're going to want to push this into the groove on the opposite side of where the button is to the point where you wiggle it to where the actual cover to the button is raised, and then you're going to pull that out. Once you pull it out, remove your needle or your pin, and then everything should drop out the opposite end. This is by far the hardest thing to do in this entire assembly. I spent hours trying different methods, and I found that the sewing needle was probably your best bet. Let's get down to the install.